Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zangiri, and today I got another video for you guys. And today we're just gonna be setting up the newsletter plugin. And basically, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be redirecting the user to the homepage after subscribing to the newsletter. I just didn't see a lot of videos on that on the internet for this plugin. Couldn't find one, so thought I'd make one for you guys because I got a little bit confused as well on it. So all you really need to do is just go into your plugins, add new plugins, and over here I have a clean website, so don't worry about that. So we're just gonna install this plugin. It's called Newsletter Send Awesome Emails from WordPress by Stefano Lisa. So just install now. After installing, activate the plugin. So it's gonna take you to this page. Welcome to the newsletter plugin and thank you for choosing the best mail management system for WordPress. So we're just gonna select next. Over here, you can just add in whatever email address you would like to appear as the sender of your newsletter. So if you want your company's email, you can just add it over here, but just make sure that this is an email that you're okay showing publicly to people. Click next, and then you'll find subscription forms. So this is basically just to choose what you ask for your subscribers in your form. If you want to ask for their name, turn this on. If you want to add a privacy checkbox, then turn this on. For now, we're just going to leave this off. And right now, it's going to tell you subscription and edit page creation. So these are just the default ones. And right now, we can just send a test email. So I have a test email that I have over here. So just make sure that it's sending emails correctly. Okay. So right now, we're just going to go into subscription. And in this subscription tab, just please follow along this shortcode. So right now, all you'll need to do is just make sure that this is single opt-in selected and click customize. And inside the newsletter form, if you go into the documentation, you will find that there's a lot of options that you could actually add, but this is the one that we're looking for. As you can see, confirmation URL specifies an alternative URL, but the subscriber will be redirected after the subscription. If you use single opt-in, this URL becomes the welcome page. The confirmation can contain tracking parameters like the Google Analytics. So if you want to add in like HubSpot or Google Analytics, you can track it basically by adding in to a different redirection page basically. Okay, so I'm just copied in the code, and you don't have to make it bold. So confirmation URL, just add in your website's page. So for me, I want the homepage, so I'm just gonna add in the homepage. So newsletter form, and then the confirmation URL, and then the link, and that is pretty much it. So we're just gonna hit save. Right now, we just need to assign a homepage and add in the shortcode for the newsletter itself. This is just the setting for the subscription form. So go into appearance, select whatever theme you would like, and also go into pages. So right now, I don't have a home page, so I'm just gonna add in a page, and let's call this home. You can also select whatever pattern you would like. So for example, I like any pattern. Let's pick this later. Let's just create the page for now, and home, and publish it. Okay, so afterwards, just make sure to make this the actual homepage of your website, because if you go into your website's page, as you can see, it's a different page. So I thought I'd mention this also for beginners. So just to set this, so you go into settings and then reading, and just in your homepage displays, just make sure to select the homepage as home. Okay, because if you go without doing this setting, you will find that your homepage will be the blog page. Okay, so right now we're in the homepage. We are just gonna add in a simple. So this is how it looks right now. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna add in a simple styling. So just a simple row. Okay. And inside that row, we're just gonna add in a simple heading. Let's call it subscribe now. Okay. And in the second one, in the same row, we're just gonna add in this shortcode, and just make sure that the shortcode matches the one that I'm gonna write right now, which is really simple. It is just newsletter, nothing else, nothing more. Save that. Okay, let me zoom out for you. And let's go into our website. We can just give this a little bit of just some styling so it looks better. So let's make it, for example, this one, or this one, or like this one. Okay, and let's just save it. So as you can see, this is how it looks right now. But if I go into a private window, where I'm not logged in, you will not see the extra text that you saw over there. So let's test it out. So I'm just gonna add in my demo email over here, and I'm just gonna subscribe. So as you can see, it took us back to the home page, and it gave us basically that your subscription has been confirmed. If I go into my inbox, as you can see, this message confirms your subscription to our newsletter. Right, so this was Angry to you. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Comment and like, subscribe, and tell me what you thought about this video. This was Angry to you, and peace, you guys.